Hey guys, how's it going? Hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. So unfortunately, another problem just hit the Honda world. And this new issue not only affects Honda vehicles, but also Acura vehicles too, since they share a lot of the same parts. So I want to go into exactly what kind of recall just came out. And this just happened last week too. So it's the latest recall that hits Honda, and it's seems like a month-to-month thing that we get recalls here, but I want to keep you guys informed. So let me go ahead and share exactly what just came out. So like I said, if you guys have seen recently, there's been a lot of recalls, and it's across the board with manufacturers, not just Honda, but Toyota's been hit with a lot, and Nissan. But Honda just released another recall just last week. And like I said, it's not only Honda, but it's also affects some Acuras as well. So this new one affects some 2024 Acura ZDX and then some 2024 Honda Prologue. So if you don't know, those are the Honda and Acura electric vehicles. So it's easy to see why, because they do share some of the same parts when they made these two vehicles. And here's a problem, and you might have already experienced it too. So they're saying that there's a software error that can cause the instrument panel display to fail when the vehicle's in operation. So what this is you can be driving along and the instrument cluster that displays the vehicle information, speedometer, tachometer, all that's right behind the steering wheel will just be black. And not only can it do this, but also when you shift into reverse, the rearview camera will show a black screen. So you can definitely see how that could be a safety issue, since so many of us rely on a backup camera now. And then the display as well. I mean, you don't know what the tach will be saying. And that's one of the reasons I still am a believer of the old analog gauges with the needles, because I feel like they're just tried and true. There's none of these glitches that's going to affect it, the readouts, and nothing like that. So I do like actual physical gauges on cars. So with this problem here, they found out that it's related to the radio control module. So that's where the problem exists at. So that's the good thing about it, is that they found the problem to it. So of course, dealers will fix this issue by updating the radio control module, of course, for free. And then they're going to start sending out letters on April 20th. So a little over a month from now. So as you guys know, I'm always a believer of get it checked early. So you can contact your dealer if you guys have one of these, a 2024 Acura ZDX or the 2024 Honda Prologue. Just contact your dealer and ask them if your vehicle is affected by the latest recall, and they can look it up by your VIN, and it'll tell them if you need to get the update or not. And like I said, these recalls, they affect a lot of manufacturers. There's no manufacturer that's immune to this. So it's just something that it's unfortunate to have all these issues, I know, but the one thing is that they stand behind it and they'll fix it. And that's usually never been a problem with Honda and Acura. When a recall comes out, when they have the parts available, you take it in, they fix it. I've been through a couple myself, and it's been no problem. You just take it in when you get an oil change, and they can do it so you don't have to make a special trip, and usually takes care of it right away. So that's the good thing. You know, things do happen, especially nowadays how they build vehicles. So I just want to keep you guys updated in the loop on that one. It's not a huge number, but then again, they didn't sell a ton of the Prologue or ZDXs. So it's right now sitting at 65,000 vehicles. So that might be a lot of vehicles on the road, since they didn't have huge sales in those vehicles. So again, if you have one, definitely check it out to get your car taken care of. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave in the description below. I'll get right back to you. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.